Welcome home to the sunny CBS 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with 2-car garage in popular Sarita Heights. With 1,507 square feet under air, this open-concept home has a split floor plan, tile throughout the living areas and kitchen, new carpet in the 2 guest bedrooms, and laminate flooring in the master. A new metal roof was just installed, tile floors were re-grouted, and the Carrier 2.5-ton HVAC was replaced in 2015. Enjoy relaxing in the evenings on the covered porch off the family room. There is a storage shed in the fenced backyard as well as plenty of room for a pool. This is a great location close to shopping, downtown Stuart and the beach. What a wonderful place to call home.